Got my governor shirt on. Do you guys know Sharon Says So? She's so awesome. No surprise that a notary would be a governor or someone who loves studying history and government, things like that. I hope you're doing great tonight. We had 3 great signings today. We have several coming up. So what do we do? What does a signature loan signing officer do? So the first thing that's pretty cool about that is that every year homes are sold and bought and refinanced in the United States to the tune of millions. It's like 26 million transactions in a given year. Now, when someone's refinancing, then that's just that home getting refinanced. But when someone's selling, that's 2 transactions, a purchase and a sale, right? Dun, 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 dun. And so a notary is going to be involved in those transactions. Across the United States, the signature loan signing business is widely varying. The rules and the regulations and what people need to know and how they need to proceed when they're in one of those signings is wildly divergent, which is why we started the American Elite Notary Agency. We've been able to create a 6-figure business being notary loan signing agents, and it's been in part-time work that's actually really fun. We get paid between $75 and $250 an appointment. We get to help people with one of the biggest things that they do in their lifetime, which is signing papers to buy a home. One of the privileges of doing that is, of course, that you are helping to walk them through the paperwork. We don't give legal advice. We're not attorneys, but we are able to just explain basics about each of the papers that they're signing. And so often that can relieve so much stress and concern for the buyer or the seller around the transaction. We're only one player in a really large group that makes this happen. There are escrow officers that work with title agencies that make sure all the paperwork matches the lending paperwork that gets done by mortgage brokers. There are real estate agents involved, sometimes attorneys, sometimes power of attorneys. There's a lot of details, and a lot of our experience over the last 10 years has given us what we need to make sure we're here to help you and teach you exactly what you need to know. One of the things that I love the most is that we teach you how to be a notary as well as a notary loan signing agent. Because unfortunately, there are a lot of people out there who are going to try to charge you a lot of money to teach you how to be a notary. We give you a free how to be a notary guide. If you want one, you can just message us at American Elite Notary admin at AmericanEliteNotary.com as an email, or follow us on Facebook and send us a DM. We'll make sure you get that free guide, because we've had people who pay as much to become a notary as the entire training should cost. Notarization shouldn't be, becoming a notary shouldn't cost you much of anything. And we can walk you through that and save you those dollars and save you that stress, which is our goal. So you've got millions and millions of transactions. You've got a notary that's needed for those transactions. You've got simple, low-cost training and low-cost tools that will be required. Typically, all things together, it's less than $500, and you can make that in a given day. So that's what a loan signing agent does. That's what we do, and that's one of the reasons we share it with everybody. If you want to check out more of our free resources, subscribe on our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook at AmericanEliteNotary.com, and make sure that you're getting all the information you need to know, especially if you're a new notary. You don't want to expose yourself to any putting yourself at risk because you're unaware of something. So we're available to ask and answer questions, find out information for you, because we've had so many great guides and resources throughout our career, people who were just kind in the agencies that we worked in and the places that we partnered with, and we'd love to pass that along to you. So enjoy the free resources. Have a great afternoon. We hope your signings are light and easy, and we'll see you back here tomorrow